to another episode of 3D Printed. I'm Trevor Holmes, and in this episode of 3D Printed, we're going to show you how to take a picture with your iPhone and 3D print it on your printer. That is a lithophane. One of these. Looks like a chunk of plastic, but once you put a light behind it, it becomes an actual photograph. Over the holidays, we went out in nature, in the mountains, down to the beach, all around Southern California, and we pulled out this photo of my brother's dog, Lana, and we produced a lithophane from it. So sit tight, we're going to show you how it's done. What you can do is go to one of these websites that converts an image file into a lithophane file, and then you can download that file and import it into your slicing program. In this case, we're using Matter Control. It's worked for me in the past with my Robo R1. So if you take a look here, you'll see this is a nice photo of Lana, who is a Catahoula, a beautiful dog, my brother's dog. And basically what we're going to do is export this file out, making sure all our parameters are correct in Matter Control. We're going to be printing in PLA. Medium quality is fine. Just make sure your infill density is nice and solid. We don't want it being hollow, so I'm going to probably go ahead and bump this up to an infill density of, let's say, 100%. Just because I don't want any grid lines showing up. You want light to be able to travel through the lithophane. So we're gonna say 1%. There we go. Save and close. Okay, so now that'll all be there, and then what you do is you'll go over here, you'll highlight this, and then we can export this as a G-code file to the SD card, and then we'll plug it into the printer and print it. Alright, so it's been 2 hours since we started our 3D print, came back, and now we're going to take it off. Seem to pop off pretty easily. So here you have it, a lithophane of Lana, a picture we took at the beach. Thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, please subscribe.